Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix can't open Windows security and not working in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you try to do a right click here to start icon and when you go with settings, and here when you go with your privacy and security and when you click on it and when you go with your Windows security. And here, when you try to click on Open Windows and Security, or either here in the protection areas, you won't be able to access or open your Windows security. So in order to fix your problem, we'll be performing a very basic step, okay? So let's just close this window and let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, you need to type for PowerShell. The moment you have typed it, go with the best match, which is a system called Windows PowerShell, where here you need to go with Run as Administrator. And the moment you have the click on it, your user proceed with yes, so that you would be able to open this window. Okay. So here you need to type or paste a command which I'll be including at the description box below. So simply copy it there, which is get-appxPackage space Microsoft.SecHealthUI space dash AllUsers space barrier space reset dash appxpackaged. Okay. So you can copy it there and paste it here. The moment you have pasted such, just have to click on enter and wait until it will be done. Once done, okay, it will only take less than a minute to do so. Okay, once done, close this window and then restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, okay, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so try to navigate here at the settings again. Scroll up and go with settings. Here, please go with privacy and security. Click on it and go with Windows security and try to open your Windows security. Okay, so that's it. Simply check if everything are working here and there you have that. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.